Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into how to build genuinely inclusive teams. Okay, so leaders have this big challenge, tapping into diversity's power while fighting unconscious bias. All right, let's start with the heart of the problem, unconscious bias. These biases kind of fly under the radar, quietly shaping all the decisions we make at work. And this is a big deal because it directly affects fairness in our teams and organizations. So, the big question is, how can a leader turn this whole challenge into a huge opportunity? The answer? It starts with a leader who gets the value of diversity and the danger of bias. Yeah, their goal is to build an inclusive architecture from the ground up. And what's really cool is there's a simple 3-step method to make it happen. First, you've got to actively counteract bias using a clear, consistent process. Okay, let's move on to step 2, which is all about creating inclusive team cultures. This is where everyone feels they belong and can, really contribute their best work. And last but not least, step 3, integrate all of those diverse viewpoints. This really means you're actively seeking out and using a ton of different ideas to solve problems. So after all that work, what's the payoff? Why does this really matter? Well, you end up with much better problem solving, way fairer decisions, and a stronger team culture. So that leaves us with a question to think about. What's one viewpoint you can deliberately integrate today?